Many people in 2025 were wondering if the legendary Honda S2000 sports roadster will make a return. Honda owners are eagerly awaiting the 2025 model year, hoping that the brand will meet their high standards of dependability, practicality, innovation, and durability. The S2000 has been delivering exciting rides for a long time because it is both nostalgic and open to new technology. A turbocharged engine upgrade will be available to S2000 customers by 2025. Without compromising power, this groundbreaking engine outperforms its normally aspirated predecessors in terms of fuel economy. Get ready for an insane ride, because rumor has it that it will produce more than 315 horsepower. Honest to its origins as a manufacturer of racing vehicles, Honda has upgraded the chassis and suspension to enhance handling and cornering. The 2025 S2000 will be the talk of the town thanks to its distinctive combination of modern and retro styling cues. Following in the footsteps of its predecessors, this S2000 model features a similarly tall bonnet and short rear deck. Thanks to LED headlights, it will be sleeker, lighter, and more visually beautiful by 2025. The Roadster's body comes in a wide variety of colors, allowing every driver to express their individuality. Honda automobiles include state-of-the-art amenities and technology as standard equipment. Enjoy the first-rate vehicle's computerized instrument cluster, premium sound system, and plush leather seats. If you plan on racing or driving for long hours, make sure the seat can give you enough support and comfort. The clever design team at Honda managed to make this little roadster seem roomy and luxurious despite its diminutive stature. Honda Sensing is an advanced driver assist system that can greatly enhance your vehicle's safety. Included in this are features like automated emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. Whether whizzing down a local street or a highway, drivers can relax in this cutting-edge safety gear. An appealing and eco-conscious 2025. If you want to see how form follows function in design, go no further than the Honda S2000. Fuel economy and lightweight construction were two of Honda's top priorities in designing this vehicle to lessen its environmental effect. Even in the face of the most strict pollution standards, the S2000's turbocharged engine should provide exciting acceleration and nimble handling. The 2025 Honda S2000 is developing into a serious threat in the luxury sports car market, however we don't yet know its final pricing. You can expect to pay around $50,000 for this high-end model, which manages to find an excellent balance between cost and performance. The legendary dependability and painstaking craftsmanship of Honda guarantee that this vehicle will sell like hotcakes. It would appear that the 2025 Honda S2000 maintains the excellent standards established by its forerunners. Because it improves upon the original while retaining its greatest features and adding new ones that drivers enjoy, it is an enhancement. This next-gen roadster is the holy grail of speed, style, and performance for longtime S2000 owners.
Thanks for watching.